Small secondary screen docking station, retro computer, and modern technology sets of integration with each other. Comes with a fully functional cable, USB 3.0 adapter. Also comes with an angle adjustable base. Front 3.5-inch monitor. This is the brightness adjustment. This is the screen switch. The following row is the SD and TF card reader. A USB-C and to USB 3.0 data ports can be connected to an external keyboard, mouse, U-disc, mobile hard disk, and cell phone and other devices. Let's take a look at the back of the case. 5-volt 2-inch power supply port, port, connect to the computer, support one-line function. HDMI video input port if the computer does not support the one-line function. You can use the HDMI cable connection. Audio port can be connected to external headphones or speakers. Connect the computer to see the effect. Dynamic wallpaper. The album. Floating lyrics. Video playback. The IPS 6 for performance mode.